some applications of trigonometry. B9. Yesterday we discussed B8. And tomorrow B10 will be the not in the morning, it will be the evening. And B10 will be morning class, won't be there tomorrow. If you want, you can attend online also. B10 section formula will be tomorrow. B10 section formula. YouTube link also will be there. Online also will be there. Today, let us start. Some applications of trigonometry. Mainly, you have to remember what is sine, cos, tan. That's mainly what we need. Sine, cos, tan plus trigonometry table. Trigonometry table, don't forget. You have to practice that one repeatedly. I given minute. Still, some people are writing tan 30, tan 60 confusion. Tan 30 is writing root 3. Tan 30, Jumana. Tan 30 is writing root 3. Tan 60 is writing 1 by root 3. Everything make it perfect by using your finger or something. Like that, you try to understand. Okay, we can start. Some applications of trigonometry. Level 1, this is the basic level question. Level 2, later we'll discuss. Okay. Initially, some questions I'm discussing. After that, you can ask your doubts and all. No problem. Question number 6th one. Frequently asked question, and it is an easy question. Question number 6th one. Read and understand the question. Simply don't look there and here. Question number 6th one. See what they are saying. Two equal poles standing opposite each other on either side of the road. See, this is the road, all of you. Road is going like this. This is the road. And one pole is here, one pole is here. Of course, road will have an width. So, two equal poles. This is what equal poles. Diagram is important. Mark will be there. Both the poles are what equal in height. We are doing question number 6th one. And this is what 80 meter wide. And from a point between on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 60 degrees. You just think about here one pole is there, here one pole is there. From a particular, this is the road width. I'm standing here. From here, I'm looking the top of this pole 60 degree. From the same point, I'm checking this one 60 degree. Of course, when we are very close to the object, the angle of elevation will be more. Am I right? You just think about theater and all. When you're sitting in front of the theater, or those who are going for mosque, or those who are going for church, and if you're sitting in front of the front row, you have to look like this. Am I right or not? So when you're moving back only, the angle of elevation will come down. So from a particular point, the angle of elevation of this pole is 60 degree. Angle of elevation of this pole is 60 degree. And the angle of elevation of this pole is what? 30 degree. This is the diagram. First, draw the diagram A, B, C, D, E. And this distance 80 meter. Draw the diagram 80 meter. Diagram mark will be there, don't miss it. 80 meter. Both the poles are equal in height, H. Our initially B module, booster modules are focusing only our first revision test. That's why many topic I'm not adding, which one is not there. I mean, arithmetic progression and quadratic, this all I didn't add in this one. Did you notice or not? Which one be announced for the upcoming exam? That only mainly we are discussing. But we'll try to discuss the other topic also. So how many people are proceeding it? Both are equal in height. That's why I took H. So what we are doing, this distance I took X. Avinid, if this distance is X, what about this distance? 80 minus X. By mistakenly don't write it. X minus 80. Be careful about that. Please draw the diagram. Previously asked by changing the value also. Maximum question we want to do. No general talking and all. We have to finish it very quickly. Ready? Let the height of the each pole be H. Let the height of the each pole be H. Let the height of the each pole be H. let the height of the each pole be h. And let BC equal to x. And let BC equal to x. And let BC equal to x. Therefore, CD equal to 80 minus x. Therefore, CD equal to 80 minus x. Anybody have doubt, you have to ask and clear it. In triangle ABC, those who done already, you just go ahead with some other question. Don't waste your time. Just go ahead. Those who finished, the answer 20 root 3 is coming height. In triangle ABC, did you see ABC? Anam, tell me, in triangle ABC, which angle is there in ABC? 60. According to this angle, what side this? According to this angle, let it tell. According to this angle, what side this? Oh, you're sitting where? Opposite. According to this angle, this is opposite side. This is what? Adjacent. Which is opposite and adjacent? Tan. So, in triangle ABC, tan 60 equal to h by x. Tan 60 how much? Root 3 equal to h by x. So, h equal to what? X root 3. Equation number 1. Anybody have doubt? Let me know. Everyone should practice the same topic today or tomorrow. Don't forget about that. Same way we people are taking this triangle. The second triangle we are taking. In triangle CDE, those who finish to do some other question, don't waste the time. In triangle CDE, tell me which angle is there in CDE? 30. In triangle CDE, tan 30 equal to h by 80 minus x. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 equal to h by 80 minus x. So h equal to 80 minus x by root 3. Anybody have doubt this step? Just listen. 80 minus x came up. That's why 80 minus x by root 3, that is h. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. So now what you can see, 1 and 2 left side same, no? So from 1 and 2 left side same means right side you can equate. From 1 and 2, from you solved that? The one you asked? Why? Today morning asked our Aron's formula question, no? How to do this? Our Aron's formula question in circle, no? From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, here another mistake people are making. X root 3 equal to 80 minus x by root 3. Root 3 you transpose. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. So 3x equal to 80 minus x. Another mistake people are making. What I noticed, can you tell me? Yes. Minus x when you transpose, again writing what? Minus x. Don't make that mistake. I noticed many people are doing like that. So when we are transposing, what will be? Plus x equal to 80. So 4x equal to 80. X equal to what? 20. Root 3 value, if it is given, you can substitute. Otherwise, no need. Now, one by one, we can answer. Therefore, height of the each pole. Very few students only open that test portal, MCQ. Very few students. Therefore, height of the each pole from 1 is better. Now, which is better, equation 1 or equation 2 better to get h? Equation 1 is better. Equation 2, if you are using many substitution, you have to make the rationalization and so you have to do. Is it? From equation 1, height of the each pole. From equation 1, height of the each pole. From equation 1, height of the each pole, h equal to, x value we got to 20. So h equal to what? 20 root 3 meter. If root 3 is given, you have to substitute. Otherwise, you no need to substitute. This is what height of the each pole. Clear? There is one more question. Is there many people are forgetting that what distances also the observer where is standing, that distances also. They're asking what is this distance as well as this x. How much is this distance? 20. This distance is what? 80 minus 20. And the distances are and the distances are 20 meter and 80 minus 20, 60 meter. Distances are 20 meter and 20 meter and 80 minus 20, 60 meter. I hope everyone understood. Next question number 14th one. Question number 14th one. Question number 14th one. Question number 14th one. Read the question and understand the question. From a window which is h meter above the ground. All of you. This is the ground. See, first initially we have to identify this is the ground. From this ground, how much meter above? H meter above. H meter above. So this will be H. There is a window. For example, we can consider this window. From the ground, a certain particular height. Is it? See, from the ground, H meter above, there is a window. Read the question, 14th one. Of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house opposite of this one is what? Theta and phi. This symbol, you know, I told about that. Is it? This symbol name is, what is this symbol? Theta. This we are calling phi. We are calling phi. This we are calling what? This is phi. This is what? Phi. If you are taking 11th standard, this symbol, one of the common one. This symbol we are using for empty set, void set, null set. In a group of category, nothing is there. This symbol we are using. In your brain, nothing is there. We are using what this set, pi. Okay, pi means, sorry, not pi, phi. Nothing, empty set. Tell me, natural number between 1 and 2. How many natural numbers are there between 1 and 2? The infinite natural. That's why this is phi. I mean, in 1 and 2, there is no natural number. Am I right? That symbol, nothing means in mathematically, we are using the symbol, this one. Okay. See, hello? From a window, opposite there is a house. There is a house. And angle of elevation and angle of depression. I told you, angle of elevation and depression, if you want to mark, what should be there? Horizontal line should be there. You have to draw the horizontal line. Angle of elevation is theta. Let me be careful. First, what they say, yeah, angle of elevation theta, angle of depression phi. This is the house, opposite house, and this is our window. Window spelling, don't make a mistake. Don't write a window. You wrote already like that? Already wrote it? See, my observation is correct, no? Avinir? Okay. This is Avinir, the famous person. He's having, like him only, many birds are there, no? The bird sound you heard, no? That's the person. Crow, crow. Huh?
That word for not my house.
His house?
Not his house.
Okay. Hello. All of you do the diagram. Now we want to show the height of the opposite house. A, please. The height of the opposite house we want to prove. That's the question. Height of the opposite house. Before starting this one, Aday, I need one support from you. Aday, how much is this one? Don't tell, let him tell. Why? H. This will be H because the horizontal same height only. Is it? This I am going to take X. There is a name I am keeping. ABC. D. This much is enough. We are focusing only this two triangle. Please mark everything. This two triangle, you can see one common side. Which is the common side? This two triangle AB. We are focusing on AB. Okay. To prove height of opposite house, to prove height of opposite house, to prove height of opposite house, to prove height of opposite house. What do you want to prove height of opposite house? H into 1 plus tan theta cot phi. Now, excuse me, please observe what do you want to prove. Please observe according, that's why initially I wrote it to prove. Accordingly, we'll write it. Now, I request better you listen to me. Easy question only. That's why I added this question in level 1. All of you listen. Better no need to write it. Listen. In triangle ABC, did you see ABC? Which angle is there in ABC? Theta. Can I take tan theta equal to x by AB? Why I took tan theta? Because opposite side we want to find, and this side is common in this both the triangle. Am I right? This is what common. From here cross multiplication, can I write AB equal to what? X by tan theta. Cross multiplication, equation number 1. Don't write. Tan theta, let it be the like that only. Don't change it. Why? Here also we want to get to what? Tan theta only. But what is not, the phi is not like that. I'll tell you. Next in triangle ABD, which angle is there in ABD? Phi. Tan phi equal to h by AB. Cross multiplication when you are doing h by tan phi. Tell me, what's 1 by tan phi? Tan phi reciprocal is what? Cot phi. Tan reciprocal is what? Cot phi. Sin reciprocal is what? Cosec. Tan reciprocal is what? Cot. So can I write AB equal to h cot phi? Equation number 2. Why I wrote h cot phi? Why I write cot theta here? The reason nothing. Here you want to get in terms of what? Tan theta. But second one you want to get in terms of what? Cot. That's why I changed. That's only the reason. Okay, Zara? That's only the reason. Nothing else. Now equation 1 and 2. Tell me. Now I need your help. From 1 and 2, tell me. X by tan theta equal to h cot phi. Cross multiplication. X equal to, can I write the h tan theta cot phi? This is your x, not this height. Opposite house, what plus what? X plus h. That means this plus h will be the, what will be common? H. H when we are taking out, this plus 1 will be the. This much is clear? Now this much is clear? Write it. Write it. Don't copy from the board. Understand and proceed. Are in any problem? Please make it fast. Copy road. So x equal to tan theta cot phi. Therefore, height of the opposite house. Therefore, height of the opposite house. Therefore, height of the opposite house. Height of the opposite house. Tell me, what is height of the opposite house? H plus x. Am I right? Height of the opposite house equal to h plus x. X is not the height. H plus x. Height we have to take from the ground. So that will be what? H plus. What is x? Just now you got x. Avinitha, tell me what you got? H tan theta cot phi. What is common? H I took it outside. So what will be? 1 plus tan theta cot phi will be the output. Clear or not? Everyone understood, I think. H commonly when you are taking, there will be 1 will be there. Don't forget about that. I hope everyone understood this one. Next question. Simply don't write anything. Next question. Question number 9th one. Question number 9th one. Previously asked the question, one of the board exam. The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from a top of the tower is 60 degree. The angle of depression of the foot of the chimney from the foot of the tower is, top of the tower is what? 30 degree. Read everything carefully. Then you can see the angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the foot of the tower 60 degree. All of you. This is the ground. Tower is bigger. And here the chimney. Now you read. This is tower. And this is what? Chimney. Chimney means the one we are using in the kitchen, no? Yeah, smoke emitting and all like that. The angle of elevation, read the question carefully. The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney. Chimney is the bigger angle coming towards where? Top of the chimney from the footer. So better. This you make it tower. Because where is the more angles coming like that? This is tower. This is what? Chimney. Why I am telling like that? There's a reason I'll tell you. Listen. When the angle of elevation more means that object will be high. Simple example I'll tell you. See, if he is looking on me, he have to look like this little. Am I right or not? But the same height, no need to. If they are looking Anjana, that much angle of elevation, no need. If you are looking like me on this angle, Anjana, you can reduce it. Am I right or not? That means angle of elevation, who is the smaller? Anjana only, no? So that's why angle of elevation will be like that only. Read the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower, this is the foot. From the foot of the tower to the top of the chimney is given 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. That angle is 60 degree. And from the same point, I'll change it. Chimney. And the angle of depression of the foot of the chimney from the top of the tower, from the top of the tower, angle of elevation to the foot. What we have to draw? What we have to draw? Or is a without horizontal line, don't proceed. I think everybody knows that one. Without horizontal line, don't proceed. Angle of depression. Repeatedly, I'm saying that one. Read the question, then answer. Foot of the chimney, why you need horizontal? So ground always we are considering. See, 30 degree. 30 degree. Height of the tower is given 40 meter. Height of the tower is given 40 meter. This is the diagram. Height of the tower is given 40 meter. Clear? So, I'm marking here A. B, C, D. Can you tell me how much is this? 40 meter. This side took H. This side took X. What about this? X. Because both the distance will be same. Like there are many basic things everybody should know. Otherwise, it will be a problem. There is one point. We can mark it to E. No need this enough. Ready? Pollution later we can check. First we will see this one. What is the first question? Height of the chimney. Right on. Let AB equal to X. Let AB equal to X. Diagram you have to understand, mark will be there. Because this diagram actually you have to read and 1 mark will be there. Let AB equal to X equal to what? CD. Let AB equal to X equal to what? CD. Let AB equal to X equal to what? CD. In triangle ABC, voice comment is coming. Anybody have doubt? Let me know. Pranitha, in triangle ABC, which angle you can see? 30. According to this one, what side this? What side this? Adjacent. Which trigonometric ratio? Tan 30. In triangle ABC, tan 30 equal to, in triangle ABC, tan 30 equal to, in triangle ABC, tan 30 equal to 40 by X. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Said unit imposition. X equal to 40 root 3. Equation number 1. Radhika, which triangle we are taking next? D, C, E. Which angle is there? 60. In triangle DCE, in triangle DCE, tell me the angle. DCE what? Tan 60 equal to, what is the opposite side of 40 plus H or H plus 40? Why? X. Can I replace directly? Okay, or we can make it two equations. Everything's fine. X you can replace. What is tan 60? Root 3. H plus 40. Kyle, what is X? Just now we got X. Kyle, 40 root 3. All of you listen. Or you can make two equations like that also you can do. But anything's fine. So here X value we have what? 40 root 3. From where? From equation 1. Now cross multiplication. Don't make mistake. 40 root 3 coming up. Tell me, 40 root 3 if it is coming up, what will happen? 120. Because root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 40, 120 will come. Anybody have doubt to let me know. Simply don't write it. Everything try to understand. 40 root 3 into root 3, it will be 120 because root 3 times root 3 is what? 3. So it will be like that. H plus 40. So H equal to how much? 80. This is not the height of the chimney. What is the height of the chimney? H plus. Actually, answer is 0. Is it? This is the height answer. Therefore, height of the chimney. Therefore, the height of the chimney. Therefore, height of the chimney. Height of the chimney. H plus 40, 80 plus 40, 120 meter. 120 meter. State this actually won't come value based before it was the. State if the height of the above mentioned chimney pollution norms they are following or not. Yes. Why? Minimum height how many we need? 100 only. We have how much height? 120. So pollution norms, even anything when we are constructing, there is some pollution norms will be there. Am I right or not? Pollution norms will be there. This much smoke emitting should not be there. If you are emitting the smoke, it should be a little bit high. Don't in the if it is coming down, it will affect our oxygen content and also there is some certain constraints will be there. Okay, I hope you understood that one also. Next question number 13th one. Question number 13th one. I'm randomly discussing some question. Then after that you can clear your doubts because we want to finish this module today. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower, 30 degree. 30 degree means building will be small, almost same thing only. Question number 13th one. Question number 13th one. Question number 13th one. This is the building. And this is the tower. Building wise small because angle of elevation is coming from the foot of the tower is only 30 degree only. Smallest angle is going towards the building. Smallest angle going towards where? That is the smallest building. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower, this one. So angle of elevation is given what? 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, opposite. Previously, both were in the top and bottom. Now this one is given how much degree? 60 degree. See, bigger angle going towards tower, so tower will be bigger. Tower height is given 50 meter. They are asking height of the building. So A, B, C, D. Here actually 1 minute. This topic we can combine similarity of triangle and trigonometry. Can anyone tell how we can combine? Tell me. We can combine. Find this height. We found this one and one question I put in the group also. 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by h. Like the similarity also, trigonometry and similarity together they can make it. As a case study, we can. I'm thinking about. Thinking about. Anyway, many new questions I'm adding. I'm planning to add many new questions. That's why in between many questions I'm adding in the group. Ready? Decide to catch. Who are you? Brandon? Brandon? Very simple question only. What is the common side in both the triangle? BC. Why did you join that one? I told you there's a chance only. You joined immediately. Right on. I will find this height if you want to find it. First you will get h. Then after that this height what? 1 by this plus 1 by this equal to 1 by this. Or this height equal to, we proved two questions. This height equal to what we can write? H equal to AB by A plus B. Like that also you can see. Is it? So it's a better one case study I'm thinking. So don't tell it is A. Don't tell about say triangles is not there for the exam. Mixed question sometimes will come. Think about. Right on. But one is the top. Oppositely you can make it. Right on. In triangle ABC, Fasila ABC, which angle is there in ABC? Tan 60. In triangle ABC, tan 60 equal to. In triangle ABC, tan 60 equal to 50 by x. Tan 60 equal to 50 by x. What is tan 60? Root 3. 50 by x. X equal to what? 50 by root 3. Equation number 1. If you people are getting 30 and 60 you will be lucky, calculation complication won't be there. But 45, 60, 45, 30, if it is coming, it will be complicated. Yeah? You stay there. Next, in triangle BCD, in triangle, why you are sitting there? In triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, tan 30 equal to, where is there? Tan 30 equal to, tan 30 equal to, tan 30 equal to, tell me, tan 30 equal to what by what? H by x. Tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3 equal to this one. X equal to, either you can substitute or you can make equation 1 and 2. Both will be fine. From 1 and 2 you can simplify. Root 3 will be eliminated. From 1 and 2, elimination means it get multiplied. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, h root 3 equal to 50 by root 3, h equal to 50 by 3. Am I right? Root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. It's not get cancelled. One is in denominator, one is there. H equal to 50 by 3. Am I right? So what is 50 by 3? 16.6 meter approximately is the height of the tower. Sorry, building is the height of the building. 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 Next question. Next question. Question number fourth one. Question number fourth one. Sorry, 11th one. We are connecting the question. Question number 11th one. Sir, any problem? Siraj, any problem? Question number 11th one. The angle of depression of the top and bottom. The angular depression of the top and bottom. Both are angular depression means this will be bigger. Am I right? From here I am just checking. There is one table is the top of the table and the bottom of the table. Both will be what? Angular depression only. Is it? That's why the other object is what? Bigger than that. From the top of a multi-storied building. Almost same concept only. There is multi-storied building is there. This is what we are calling the multi-storied building. Don't draw the building and all. There won't be any mark for that. There is a simple building. This is building only. And this is what? Multi-storied building. One is building, one is multi-storied building. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a 8 meter tall building. This height is given 8 meter. From the top, the bottom and the top. So we should draw what? Horizontal line. How much is given top angle of depression? 30. This is 30 and this is 60. Always from the horizontal line, this is what is 60. And please construct one line here to make things are easy, otherwise it will be a problem. 45, sorry. Then calculation will be the 45 degree. B, C, D, E. Ade, I took a BC equal to X, then what will be X? If BC equal to X, one more X is there, what is that? There is a name like that you don't, there is a name, no? Abhi will help you. Okay. Draw the diagram. Jumana, how much is this? Tara. How? This 8, this it took H. Similar type, a lot of questions we done. Tota, how much will be this? Your name is Tota. How much will be this? You each other first discuss who is that? Who, she, Sana? Huh? Then tell me, how much will be this? 30. Why 30? I told you, think about what? Z. One Z is forming. Z, either it can be mirror image. Is it Z2 or N? If it is coming, it will be what? Alternate. Giona, how much will be this, Giona? 45. So draw. That also you mark. Let BC equal to X. Let BC equal to X equal to DE. BC equal to X equal to DE. Equal to DE. BC equal to X equal to DE. Are you ready? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tell me which angle is there in ABC? 30. 30. Please proceed. In triangle ABC, tan 30 equal to H by X. Tan 30 equal to, calculation will be little difficult. Tan 30 1 by root 3. So X equal to H root 3. Equation number 1. I repeat again. This is my last attempt before the pre-board. Especially those two vehicles. So doubt is there, ask me. Ask me. This is a basic level only. Any doubt anybody have, please ask me, make it clear. After that I got this mark and this. Because my level best I tried to bring you up. If you are not taking initiative, nothing can be done. X equal to H by root 3, equation number 1. Next, which triangle will take? AD. In triangle ADE, tell me the angle. What is the angle? Azanda, what is the angle? Tan 45 equal to, tan 45 equal to H plus 80 by X. What is tan 45? 1. 1 equal to H plus 8. So X equal to H plus 8. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what's your problem? Circle. Our module or some other question? Which one? The booster or some other? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What we can write from 1 and 2, Salil? Okay, H plus 8 equal to H root 3 or H root 3 equal to H plus 8. Both will be fine. Now, many basic mistake many people are making, so be careful. Gio now. H root 3 minus H equal to what? 8. H common, I took it out. Root 3 minus 1. H equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. Giona, what will do next? Giona, what will do next after this?
Oh, yeah.
What will multiply and divide? Root 3 plus 1. We multiply and divide. 8 into root 3 plus 1. Denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. That's what? Root 3 square minus 1 square. How much will be denominator? 2 will be there. Anybody have problem, let me know. Denominator will be 2. Everything I explained. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. That is root 3 square minus 1 square. 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. So you can cancel this and this 4 will be there. So h equal to 4 root 3 plus 4. This is not the answer. H equal to 4 root 3 plus 4. Root 3 value not given. This is not the answer. What's the question? What's the question? Height of the multi-storied building is the first question. Tell me, what is the height of the multi-storied building? What is the height of the multi-storied building? H plus 8. Therefore, height of the multi-storied building. Therefore, height of the multi-storied building. Therefore, the height of the multi-storied building is equal to H plus 8. Height of the multi-storied building is equal to H plus 8. Height of the multi-storied building is equal to H plus 8. Height of the multi-storied building is equal to H plus 8. What is H? 4 root 3 plus 4 plus 8. What is answer? 4 root 3 plus 12. If you want, you can take what outside? 4 you can take it outside. That is your choice. But there is one more question. This is also 5-mark question. Basic people be careful. And 4 root 3 plus 12 meter. There is, they are asking what is the distance between the building. Excuse me. Distance between the building, what we took? X. All of you listen. Distance between the building, what we took? X. That X already same as H plus 8. H plus 8 already we found. So it will be same only. Is it? Pardon? And the distance between these two buildings from 2, like that you write. From 2, distance between these two buildings. From 2, distance between these two buildings. 1 also you can substitute, but 2 is better. From 2, distance between these two buildings. X equal to H plus 8. X equal to H plus 8. H plus 8 already you found. How much? Tell me. 4 root 3 plus 12 meter. Why both are coming equal? Can anyone tell why both are coming equal? Yes. This is the reason. This is what triangle actually? Isosceles triangle. Here 45 degree, here also 45 degree. If it is isosceles, this side and this side are what? Equal. That's why this height and this distance became same. That is the reason. Next question number 12th one. Question number 12th one. A man on the deck of a ship which is 16 meter above the sea level or water level. Question number 12th one. Question number 12th one. Question number 12th one. A man, this is a sea level or water level. Sea level only we are sea level. From here, 16 meter above. Sea level 16 meter above. Read the question. Question number 12th one. A man on the deck of a ship which is 16 meter above water level. Observe that the angle of elevation and depression respectively top and there is a cliff. Just you can consider as a line only. Angle of elevation and depression both is there. So it is bigger than that. From here, the top angle of elevation. Question, how many times I read the question? When I am telling, won't listen. See, question number 12th one. Angle of elevation is given 60. Angle of elevation is given 60. You no need to wait. Angle of depression is given 30. This is 60. This is 30. Always from the horizontal line. Root value is given. They are asking, calculate the distance of the cliff from the ship and the height of the cliff. Height they are asking. And distance also they are asking. A, B, C. Here no need letter. This I took X. How much will be this? 16. This side took h. Please proceed if you are confident. It is easy question. I told you level 1 means everything almost similar thing only. Easy questions only now. That's why. This sometimes level 3 will be there by climbing a mountain. From one is observing from the ground, angle of elevation. After climbing little, again angle of elevation. That sometimes will make it after the pre-board. Because I told you, initial first pre-board will be all the basic things, everything we have to be perfect. Then slowly we'll upgrade. Second pre-board will upgrade. And after the second pre-board, you will have day 1, day 2, day 3 modules. Especially nearby the exam module you used to give. Now we'll give week 1, week 2, week 3. Like that something. How many days we have to calculate? Date will come very soon. So once the date is announced, now everything is booster module related. In triangle ACD, tan 60 equal to, some people already started, I think. What is tan 60? So h equal to what? X root 3. Equation number 1, or x equal to, we can write, that's better because easy calculation will come because x is common in both. H by root 3. Equation number 1, x equal to h by root 3. Just interchanging the position, crossing. Habib, are you okay? You're disturbing Ade? Maisha, you can do. Next, in which triangle? In triangle ACB. In triangle ACB, tell me which angle is there in ACB? Tan 30. You can write it, the naming is okay. ABC or ACB, no problem. 16 by x. What is tan 30? Cross multiplication when you are doing. X equal to 16 root 3, equation number 2. From 1 and 2. How you can cut it? One is down, one is up. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. H by root 3 equal to 16 by root, 16 root 3. 16 root 3. H equal to 16 into 3. How much? 48. So tell me, first answer, height of the cliff house is what? What plus what? Therefore, height of the cliff house, h plus 16. 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 Can anyone do one help? The answer, please write it towards the question in the worksheet. At the end, I'll take the photo because I want to prepare answer key. Towards the question answer, you write it perfectly. Then at the end, tell me, I'll take the photo, then worksheet update, and then anybody practicing, they'll get now. We done many questions now. So height of the cliff house, h plus 16, 48 plus 16, how much? 64 meter. 64 meter. Didn't finish. There is one more question. What is that? Distance between. Which equation better to find x, first or second? Second one is better. Is it? From 2. Distance between cliff and ship. From 2 is better. X 2 and 1 is there, but 2 is better. From equation 2, distance between cliff and ship. Distance between cliff and ship. How much is written? X equal to 16 root 3. Clearly mentioned in the question, you have to apply 1.732. 33 won't come now. 33 won't come. Eh? That's also wrong. 27 you are saying? Oh, there is a chance. 32 won't come. Why 32? No. It is 1 point only. 2 times if it is there only 32 will come. How much? Siddharth, you can multiply it. Okay. How much? 27.12 meter. 27.712 meters say that is what the distance between. So class up to what time? 7:30, no? So we done 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. 10 we didn't do, no? Now 10th question. 10th question. You are not a speaker, no? Question number 10th one. Rehan, I am going to kick him out from here. Very quickly it will be there. Question number 10th one. From the top of question, completely read it. By seeing 100, don't write answer. Salil, speed is very important, Salil. From the top of a tower, 100-meter high, a man observed two cars on opposite sides of the tower. See, opposite side means if the tower is here, one car is there, one car is here. Like that told you, opposite side. So, draw the ground first. This is the ground. And there is a tower. He mentioned is the middle. No. 100 meter above. This is the tower. Tower is 100 meter height. You observe two cars, angular depression. One car is here. Second car is here. Yes, speed time related questions also I didn't add. That I told you level 2. Observe this car as well as this car. What we should draw? What we should draw? Horizontal line we have to draw. Then only what angular depression we can mark. First car how much depression? 30. Second car 45. This is perpendicular only. A, B, C, D. School told about the cutoff mark for each stream? 57. Out of 80, no? 70%. Your case, I'll cross-check the list with the teachers. Out of 80, 56 is the cutoff mark, Birla. Every school will have something like that. Thank you. Salil, how much is this, Salil? 30. This side took x, this side took y. A, it is not the midpoint. I took x and y for easy calculation. Ready? In triangle ABC, you no need to wait for me. Please carry on. Bruno. In triangle ABC, tell me which angle is there in ABC? Tan 30. Please find its x value. Root 3 restriction is there. Tan 30 equal to 100 by x. What is tan 30? It is very easy question actually. X equal to 100 root 3. 100 into, what is the restriction? 1.732. So x you got 173.2 meter. X is not connected with the second triangle, so don't bother about it. Next, in triangle CBD, chicken biryani dum. CBD, tan 45 equal to, your school party is over. Farewell. School is celebrating your birthday. In triangle CBD, tan 45 equal to 100 by x. What is tan 45? Sorry, 100 by y. 1 equal to 100 by y. So y equal to how much? Okay. Therefore, distance between the car. Therefore, distance between the cars. Try to understand. Both the car clearly mentioned what. One question we did. Do you remember ship? One behind the other. Same side. At that time, one ship is here. One is behind the other. That's a different question. You read it and answer it. Therefore, distance between the cars. Distance between the cars x plus y. Distance between the cos x plus y. X you have, y also you have added. 173.2 plus 100. Next, people are moving to the case study question. Case study question. Question number 15th one. Question number 15th one. Read the question. Don't waste the time. Question number 15th one. A clinometer is a tool. Whatever. Ravish got. Is your brother Radish? Ravish got the clinometer from school lab and started the measuring elevation angle, this and this. All of you please draw the diagram, no need building. Question number 15th one. Ravish, if it is not there, you write Lavish, then you write your name. This is the diagram. Please. P, Q, R, S. There is school logo is there. Read the question. Is so a building on which a society logo is painted on wall of building. Here the logo is coming in the position. Here the logo. Logo is coming here. The angle of elevation of the center of logo is 30 degree. The point P at a distance 24 meter from the base of the building. The angle of elevation of the roof of the building 45. What is the height of the building? What is the height of the building logo from the ground? What is the height of the building from the ground? What is the aerial distance of the, let's say this distance, hypotenuse, top of the building? If the point of observation P moved 9 meters towards the base of the building, then find the angle of elevation. All of you please write everything. Draw the diagram. Are you ready? I already told you logo where I placed and all. Here's the problem. You are not thinking something. Simply you are telling something. I already asked that and I told where is the logo is coming. Ready? In triangle PQS, answer we can write at the end. Okay? In triangle PQ, everything we can find, after that we can think. Tell me PQS, which angle is there? 45. In triangle PQS, tan 45 equal to QS by 24. What is tan 45? 1. So QS equal to how much? 24. First answer. Height of the building from the grounds. Height of the building from the ground. Height of the building from the ground is 24 meters. That's the first question. Logo they are asking. Okay, then leave it. That you make it second answer. Height of the building from the grounds. 24 meter. Okay. Height of the building from the ground 24 meter. Second one, in triangle PQR, tell me which angle is there in PQR? 30. In triangle PQR, tan 30 equal to QR by 24. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. QR by 24. QR equal to 24 by root 3. What we have to do? We have to rationalize. Tell me, Rachel, root 3 into root 3 is what, Rachel? Root 3 into root 3? 3. 3 and 24 cut 8. So QR equal to 8 root 3. QR equal to 8 root 3. Root 3 value not mentioned, so no need to run behind it. Therefore, height of the log of first answer. First answer. Root 3 and root 3, 3. 3 and 24 cancel. Therefore, height of the logo from the ground 8 root 3 meter. Height of the logo from the ground equal to what? 8 root 3 meter. What is the next question? Tell me. What is the aerial distance of the point P from the top of the building? Now, what do you mean by this distance you have to find? That's the question. Hypotenuse you have to find. From the point of P, what is the distance to the top? Is it? Is it? Okay. Can we try? Tell me, all of you. Many things are there. You can use sine, cos. That also, I'm using cos. Why? According to this angle, what side is this? Adjacent. What side we want to find? Which one? Cos. Cos you can use. Sine also you can use because you already found this side. Is it? Is it? Get it done? In triangle PQS, cos 45 equal to. In triangle PQS, cos 45 equal to. In triangle PQS, cos 45 equal to. In triangle PQS, cos 45 equal to 24 by PS. Third answer, this one. Cos 45 adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2, 24 by PS. So PS equal to what? 24 root 2 meter. Root 2. 24 root 2 meter is the distance from the point P to the top of the building. Is the distance from the point P to the top of the building. Clear? Clear? All of you? Or question. 24 root 2 meter is the area, the distance from the point P to the top of the building. Can you read or question is what? No, simply don't sit, read it. What is the question? 9 meter towards the base of the building. All of you, don't write. Listen carefully. For understanding, I drew one more diagram. You don't draw, wait. And actually, this is the diagram. How much this distance is given? 24 meter. All of you listen carefully. Angle of elevation to the logo they are asking. All of you. Logo distance you got how much? Logo. Logo height you got how much? Anush. Logo distance you got how much? 8 root 3. What Anuj? UK. No, it's Anush. UK. Anuj. See, all of you listen. A. Read the question. If the point P observation moved 9 meter towards the base. Hello. 9 meter moved. Please. 9 meter moved. Therefore, how much will be this point I am marking A? Then how much will be this? 24 minus 9, how much? 13 or 15. No, this class is recording and go to the YouTube. You people, my name will go. Is it? Then they are asking, what is the angle of elevation to the logo? From here, this logo they are asking, this angle they are asking. All of you draw the diagram. After that, I'll tell you. Draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. Actually, it is not in your control. Angle you cannot find it. There is an inverse thing is there. Okay, anyway, write it. But 1 minute. Green color, don't draw. Just wait. Question is small change. Otherwise, you won't get it. Just 1 minute. 15, 24. 15 and 24. If you simplify, how much? Okay, just keep it. When if you are changing the value, also not getting. Okay. From the figure, tan theta equal to 8 root 3 by 15. You cannot simplify it. Any possibility? No. So only the option you did learn little advanced. This tan when you're taking inverse will come. Just write like this. Very rare chance to ask. Okay. This tan when we are taking this at tan inverse, just write like that. Otherwise you won't get a fixed answer for this. Just write that's a theta. Why I took a tan theta? Because you learn only table value 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Each sine, cos, tan value, everything having result is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. But you didn't learn. So for time being, tan you just take other side. Tan inverse equal to tan inverse 8 root 3. Tan when you are changing tan inverse. Cos if you are changing cos inverse. Just for your knowledge I am saying. Just write it. Tan inverse 8 root 3 by 15. Maybe any numerical value mistake will be there. Fixed value will come. Please see. No problem. Next question number 17th one. 17th one. 17th one. Question number 17th one. Question number 17th one. This question previously Delhi Public School asked it. A boy 4 meters tall. A boy 4 meters tall spot a pigeon sitting on the top of a pole of height 54 meters. Anyway, just right. They also prepared this one. They have to think about. Question number 17th one. Diagram is given. Please draw the diagram. Please. Hello. Make it fast. Excuse me. Hello. Radhika. Maybe standing on the top of something we don't know. This is 4 meters. This is our boy. 4 meter. 4 meter height is there. And this height is 54 meter. And the angle of elevation, this is 45. This is 60. Here is the pigeon flying. C, D. This much is line is enough. Question actually not a level 1 related because time is coming. Okay, we can make it no problem. Hey, excuse me. Question you read. A boy 4-meter tall spots a pigeon sitting on the top of a pole height 54-meter on the ground. The angle of elevation on the initially it was 60 degree. Initially it was 60 degree. The pigeon flies away horizontally in such a way that remain a constant height. Then from the ground after 8 seconds the angle of elevation of the pigeon 45 degree. First question. Find the distance of the first position of the pigeon from the eye of the boy. Eye of the boy. My question, excuse me, how much will be this? How much will be this? 4. How much will be this? 50. This also how much? 50. Here I am placing one more letter A, B, C, D, E. Now, first question, excuse me. Initially the pigeon were here. They are asking from the eye. Here the eye of the observer, this one. What is this side name? Hypotenuse. So we have to find hypotenuse initially we want to find it. Clear or not? Hypotenuse we have to find it. Clear? In triangle CED, in triangle CED, sine 60 equal to, why I took a sine 60? Because from the eye of the observer, they are asking the distance. So, according to this is a 60 degree, by mistakenly don't take a 45 degree. This is the initial angle with the hypotenuse, and opposite side we want to find hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, Socrates rule is there. Which one? Sine 45. Sine 60 equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is sine 60? Root 3 by 2. 50 by CD. CD equal to 100 by root 3. Root 3 restriction is there. So first rationalize it, then only root 3 you have to substitute. Multiply and divided. 100 root 3 by 3. 100 into 1.73 by 3. 173 by 3. 173 by 3, that much meter. 173 by 3. How much 173 by 3? 57.7 meter. (57.7 meter) is the distance from the eye of the boy to the bird. 57.7 meter is the distance from the eye of the boy. Distance from the eye of the boy. Distance from the eye of the boy to the bird's first position. To the bird's first. What I told that you right. Distance from the eye of the boy to the bird's first position. Clear or not? What is the second question? Find the distance between the boy and the pole. Pole. This pigeon is standing on a pole, no? Find the distance between the boy and the pole. Pole, this is the pole. Hello. Excuse me. Bird initially sitting, this is the pole. Hey, this is the pole. Don't get confused. This is the pole. After that, he flew away from there. It's a constant height. That is after some time. Follow this only, you mark that one. They are asking this distance. Second question. This distance they are asking. Tell me again, according to this angle, opposite and adjacent. Is it? Tan we have to take. Now, 4 is the first one. Second one is just a few away from there. In triangle CED, second answer. In triangle CED, tell me what angle again? 60. What 60? Tan 60. Tan 60 equal to, tell me, tan 60 is what? 50 by DE. Root 3 equal to DE equal to 50 by root 3. Is it? So, 50 into 1.73 by 3. 50 into 1.73 by 3. Calculation will help you. Time issues is there. Calculation you can think about there, you'll get easily. 36.5 by 3. 36.5 by 3. 12.16 meter. 12.16 meter. Said 12.16 meter. 12.16 meter is the distance between the boy and the pole. Is the distance between the boy and the pole. The third question, time speed related question. The time speed related I actually plan to discuss in the second stage. We remember we did a lot of time related questions. Am I right? What we used to take, let the speed of this one x, then distance traveled by that what is what? 8x will come. This will take 8x. That we can this question we can discuss the next section also. Anyway, initial part is clear, no? That anyway in that module by mistakenly came in this. Now question number 18th one. Question number 18th one. Even 20th question also speed is coming. Question number 18th one. Please draw the diagram quickly. 18th one. From here 20 and 17 I will add the other module. 18th one. Please draw the diagram quickly. We done this question also in the class. Something 30 root 2 like that one question we done. But please make a little pause. During this new upcoming exam, no? 12th standard I given you. Okay, so A, Q, C, B, D. Here one letter you can place E. This is 24 meter. This is 30 degree. This is sorry, this is P. P. This 6 meter. This is 45. Now, similar question we done in the class. Instead of 24, 100 meter came. Like that one question we done. Find the distance of paraglider from the ground. Now, distance of the paraglider. Paraglider is coming here. Here is the paraglider. Here is the paraglider. And here is the boy. And here is the girl. Paraglider height. Excuse me. Boy is here, girl is there, paraglider is there. First question, distance of paraglider from the ground. Tell me, according to this angle, what side is this? Opposite. What side is this? I put which trigonometry ratio? Sine. Please do it. You no need to substitute any root value or something. Right on? Previous question DE. I didn't check it. D 12 point is coming, no? By 350 into 1.73 by 3 is there, no? To check anyway, this question I'm adding in the next worksheet, so we'll discuss. Right on? 50 into 1.73. 15 to 1 point, yeah, here mistake is there, no? Okay, 15 to 1.73, 86 is coming. Okay, anyway, you're right, I think. That the question, previous one, 86.5 by 3, 28.8. That question we wrote by this one, okay. Right on? In triangle AQD, in triangle AQD, in triangle AQD, in triangle AQD, sine 30 equal to, don't talk, dq by 24. Now, why I took a sine? The reason is we want to find the opposite side. Hypotenuse already given. That's the reason. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. dq by 24. So dq equal to how much? 12. 24 by 2. Right on? Therefore, distance, sorry, height of the first answer. Height of the paraglider from the ground. Height of the paraglider from the ground. 12 meter. See, so 12 meter, 12 meter is the height of the paraglide from the ground. Next, they are asking PD. Now, how much will be this? 6 meter. So, this just now you got 12, is it? Therefore, PD equal to, second answer, PD equal to, PD equal to, PD equal to 12 minus 6, how much meter? 6 meter. That also we got. Next, they are asking paraglider and Ridhima. This is the boy Karan. And this is what Ridhima. Now, they are asking the question, distance between paraglider and Ridhima. So, what we have to find again? What side is this? Hypotenuse. In triangle DPB, this just now you got a 6. Please place in the diagram. In triangle DPB, sine 45 equal to, sine 45 equal to 6 by BD, 6 by BD, 6 by BD. I will do something, you don't worry. Okay. Sine 45 6 by BD. So 1 by root 2 equal to 6 by BD. So BD equal to 6 root 2 meter is the distance from the Ridhima to the paraglider. Is the distance between Ridhima to the paraglider. What is the next question in which? What is CQ? Now, CQ, how you can find it? This distance and this distance are same only. Again, in triangle DPB, what I'm saying that will you write it. In triangle DPB, BP equal to PD, equal to PD, 6 meter. I didn't use the trigonometry. Why? Because this is what triangle 45 came. So what triangle? Isosceles triangle. Even if you want trigonometry, you can use, no problem. 45, 1 will come. Now, it's an isosceles, 45, 45, 90. Even if you are using trigonometry, also same thing will get. DP equal to PB equal to 6 meter. Equal to what? Equal to CQ. Equal to CQ. Anybody have descriptive, any question, doubt is there? Ask me quickly. Descriptive question, any doubt? Because further there is no discussion for this. 2 case study I am removing from, I'll add into the level 2. Any other doubt is there? Tell me. Maximum questions we discussed and many are there in the notebook. Prepare well. So level 1 is over. Now level 2 will come. Okay. That's all. Bye. Good night. Take care.